Welcome back, children. Srinivasan here. We are going to discuss exercise 1.2 second problem in relations and functions. The question says checks injectivity and surjectivity for the function f n defined to n to n given f of x equal to x square. This is a function given f of x equal to x square. Injectivity means 1 to 1, surjectivity is on to. So you have to check 1 to 1 and on to. Children, the domain given is natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to infinite. So n. The function 2, again n. The domain is n. The codomain is also n. Okay, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to map f of x equal to x square. Now let us take two elements from the domain. x1, x2 belongs to n. Okay, children? Now let us go for the question. F of x1 equals f of x2. Now f of x1, the function f of x is x squared. So x1 squared is equal to x2 squared. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root, we get x1 equals x2. We know when starting with the f of x1 equals x2, when you reach x1 equal to x2, then we will say the function is 1 to 1 function. Okay, children, this part is over. Now we want to check on to function. Okay, let us start mapping it. Let us start mapping to better understand this. 1, 2, 3 goes on like that. In domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Now the function f of x equal to x square. So take the input to n. So sorry, 1. 1 square is 1. If you put 2, 2 square is 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. So what about these numbers 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are all left behind, right? If any element in the codomain is left behind, we know that it is not an onto function. So the answer itself, it is proved that it is not surjective. This is injective, but it is not surjective because some elements are left behind. So how to write this? Take 2 or 3, any element. 2 belongs to n. Here we mean codomain. 2 belongs to n, but there exists no element. There exists no element x in n, the domain, such that f of x will be equal to 2. Whatever x if you put, f of x never becomes 2. Okay, children, that is the meaning. Or you can say 2 is not an image of any element in x, the domain. Anything you can say. Therefore, f is not onto function, which means it is not surjective. Not surjective. It is injective. Okay, children, this completes first part of this question. I hope you understood. We move on to the second part of the same question. 1 minute. The question says f of z to z just a second, z to z, where the function f of x is the same function x squared. Okay, children, f of x equal to x squared. Now z, what is z? Is it a set of integers, right? What are integers? Yes, including 0, 1, 2, positive number and the negative number. Imagine the number line. Okay, let us start. For your understanding, I am writing the domain is also z, codomain is also z. Okay, children. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 goes on like that. 1, 2, 3 goes on like that. The same is your minus 3 dot dot. 1, 2, 3 dot. Now we are going to check whether it is a 1 to 1 function. See, I'll take 1. F of 1 squared, which is 1, right? Now what about your negative number f of minus 1? Minus 1 the whole square equal to 1. So two elements are having the same image. 1 and minus 1 have the same image. So it is not 1 to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1, which is equal to f of minus 1. Therefore, the function f of x is not 1 to 1. So not injective. It's very clear. Right, children? F of 1 square is 1 minus 1 square is 1. So it's not injective. Let us go and check for surjective. What do you think? It will be surjective or it's not surjective? Is it 1 to 1 or 1 to 1? Let us start doing it. F of 1, it maps to 1. F of minus 1 also maps to 1. Of course, it is not 1 to 1, we have proved. You take 2, F of 2 maps to 4. The same is the case. What about these 2 and 3? There are number of numbers which are left behind because the square of the number. So it is not surjective. So it's not injective, not surjective. How to write this? Take number 2 belongs to Z. This is your codomain. But there exists no element, that does not exist any element, anything. That does not exist any element X belongs to Z. Here we mean domain, such that f of x equals whatever number you have taken. So 2 cannot be an image of any element. That's the meaning of that. Therefore, f is not on 2. So f is not surjective. One more term is also, children. If it is injective and surjective, we call them as bijective. Just I recalled. This completes the part 2 of the second question. Thank you, children. This is the third part of the second question. The question says check injectivity or surjectivity for R to R. As I told you, here the domain is R. R is a huge number of set. Every number will be there in this. So your domain will have all the numbers 0, 1, 2, negative numbers or positive numbers and decimal numbers, fractions, everything, rational, irrational, except imaginary numbers. All numbers will be there in the real number. So it is going to be mapped in the again the real number. So domain is also real number, codomain is also real number. You need not want to draw any diagram in the exam, children. No need to draw. Okay, just for your understanding, I am doing it. Exams, you need not want to draw. Okay, children. Now the domain is R, codomain is R. The function f of x equal to x square. You should remember this as a formula itself. Now, children, one-to-one function. Let us check. Let's take the easiest value 1 is equal to 1 square, which is 1. F of minus 1. This is also again 1 square, which is 1, minus 1 square, which is also equal to 1. So two elements having same image, 1 and minus 1 are getting mapped to 1 and minus 1. So many to one function. This is not 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means one element will have only one image. Here two elements are having same image. So therefore, as we see, these two elements are having a same image. F is not 1 to 1. That is, F is not injective. Okay, children, first part got over. Faster we completed. Now we are going for surjective. Now we should go for squaring of any numbers. F of 1, if you square it will map to 1. F of 2 will map to, F of 2, can you try? F of 1 is mapping to 1. F of 2 is mapping to 2 square, 4. F of 3 will map to 3 square, which is 9. It goes on like that. So 1, 2 will go for 4, like that it goes on. So what is the case of 2 and 3? As usual, you cannot map anything for 2. So 2 cannot be image of any element in X, your domain. So you have to write that. The same element 2 belongs to R. Here you should write this is codomain. That does not exist any X belongs to R. Here we mean domain, such that f of x equals 2. No element can have an image 2. Therefore, f is not surjective, which means it is not on 2. We completed, children. This is third part of the question. Now we move on to the fourth part. Fourth part, f of, the question says f n to n, natural numbers to natural number, where f of x is defined as x cube, x power 3. Okay, children. Now the domain is natural number. Domain is natural number. Codomain is also natural number, right? Now we are going to map 1 2 3 dot dot, because natural number starts from. Okay children, okay, right? Now let us start. Let x1 x2 belongs to natural number n. F of x1 equal to f of x2. X1 is x cube, right? X cube is x1 cube equal to x2 cube. Taking cube root on both sides. Taking cube roots on both sides, or you can say I am multiplying to the power of 1 by 3. What do you get? X1 equal to x2. Therefore f is injective or one-to-one function. Okay children, we completed this one. Okay, so 1 will map to 1, 2 will map to 8, 3 will map to some elements like that. So now we see what we see now. For we are going for onto function. For the definition itself we can see. Now we will start mapping it. 1 will go to 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 27, like that it goes on. So we are having elements left behind. This 2 3 4 like that. We have number of elements left behind. So they cannot be an image of any element. No element will have a cube as 2. No element in the natural number will have a cube as 3. It's not possible. So take one element. The same story. 2 belongs to n. Here we mean n is equal to codomain. Write down. That does not exist any element x belongs to n, where n is the domain, such that f of x equals 2. So not surjective. So it cannot be 1 to 1. This completes this part. This is the fourth part of the same question. Okay, it's completed. Now we go for fifth part. Fifth part says the same function, but it is from z to z. Let us do that. We are going to check the injectivity, surjectivity for z to z. Fifth part, z to z is given by f of x equals x cube. Okay children, now let us start. Z to z, integers, positive, negative numbers and zeros, everything will be there, correct? Let us start. So z domain, codomain z. Now I think you are very comfortable with these diagrams, right? Good. That's all children. It's going to be very easy. You take two elements. One will map to 1, 2 will map to 8. It goes on like that. There won't be any two elements will have a same image. It's not possible. So let us start. Let x1, x2 belongs to the domain z. Start with x1, f of x1 equal to f of x2, which means x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. Here taking cube roots, you get x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is injective or 1 to 1. So this part got over, children. The next part is onto function. Let us wait. We may have we can replace the same. Take for example, we will take 1, it map to 1, 2, it map to 8, correct? So there are some elements left behind. You can take the 2 itself. 2 belongs to the natural number, integers z, codomain. That does not exist any x, belongs to the integer set such that f of x equal to 2. So no, 2 cannot be image of any cube root. Okay children, this completes the fifth part. Thank you.